Viruses. Viruses are extremely small, so they are only visible with an electron microscope. Viruses do not have a nucleus. In their core, they have either a strand of DNA or RNA as their genetic material. They do not have the structures or organelles that you would find in a typical cell. And they do not need a source of nutrients for their survival. The genetic material is usually surrounded by a protein coat. All viruses are parasites. Different viruses infect specific host cells such as bacteria, animal or plant cells and live off them. When cells are attacked by viruses, they cannot carry out their normal activities or functions properly. Viruses only show one of the 7 characteristics of life, reproduction. And even for their reproduction, they require a living host cell. Viruses are therefore classified as being non-cellular, as they show no signs of life when not associated with a living cell. Viruses come in various shapes and sizes, and each of them attacks a specific kind of host cell. Have you heard of AIDS and the flu? Well, these diseases are both caused by viruses. AIDS is caused by the human immunodeficiency virus, or HIV, and the flu, on the other hand, is caused by the influenza virus. Even the disease measles, which you may or may have not developed as yet, is caused by a virus. Remember that you cannot use antibiotics to treat the diseases caused by viruses.